May pa-surprise sa timo daw. May mo bakaran? Wala yung list pa. Pero ano dyan?
Wow!
Thank you.
Wow!
Mamay na rin. Wow! Libo ka, libo. Thank you.
Wow!
Salamat. Nahuyak ko. Nahuyak ko. Sexy ka dyan, ha? Nahuyakan ko ba?
Ano ang makambay mo sa surprise?
Thank you very much. Love you, just the Lord. Ay, ginawa ka, Lord.
Accomplices.
Thank you. Just the Lord.
Mamay ang dalawa.
Imano kita? Ha? May isim pa ako? Just the Lord.
Closer ka guro, ma'am Deden.
Hindi ba?
Na.
Ang gulong-gulong pa sinelas.
Mana mo ang surprise? Perfect. Happy birthday. Ang good teddy bear na ba?
Bakit ba yan? Sing natin di. Pero hindi kay Ramay.
Ano na? Masus ginuko yan.
May pa-letter pa.
To the love of my life,
Diba?
happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're more than just my partner. You're my home, my comfort, and my greatest joy. You make everything feel right in this world, and I couldn't imagine my life without you.
Masus man ang mag-inis.
Today, I want to celebrate you, the person who makes my heart race and my soul feel at peace. I love you endlessly, and I'll spend every day showing you just how much you mean to me. You're my miracle and my forever.
Di ka nagkumpos ka na eh.
Happiest birthday, my love.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Wow!
Thank you very much sa surprise. Napakakainis na sinilas. Thank you. More birthdays to come. Thank you.
Picture naman.